Dragon SpaceX on the big loop, all hooks open and nominal.
And you can see on screen, Dragon Resilience spacecraft has undocked from the International Space Station at 3:30.
Dragon separation confirmed.
And what a view to see at 3:30. Dragon spacecraft has undocked from the International Space Station at approximately 3:30 Central Time, just off the coast of West Africa or Liberia. So we had a couple of undocking burns. The first burn lasted about
on the big loop, relocate burn 0, complete and nominal.
We had a couple of burns. The first undocking burn was about a second and a half, and the second burn lasted for about 5 seconds. And
Dragon SpaceX on the big loop, we see the same.
And you heard the call out just a few seconds ago for the relocation burn 0, and that lasted about 21 seconds. Again, we did get confirmation of undocking at 5:30 a.m. Central Time, 10:30 GMT, while the station and Dragon were flying 263 statute miles over the Atlantic Ocean to the south of Liberia. And a big milestone, you just heard the call out that we have reached the midpoint between the two docking axes. A little bit of what's to come. Dragon will continue its transition maneuver to the zenith port docking axis. Hold for LiDAR confirmation, and then start making its way towards waypoint 2, which is approximately 20 meters away from the International Space Station. From there, we'll resume docking and final approach with a soft capture, then eventually a hard capture. We're expecting docking to be completed at approximately 6:30 Central Time, 6:30 a.m. Central Time.
There's a soft capture ring on Crew Dragon, and once there is contact between the spacecraft and the International Space Station, that soft capture ring will retract until sensors indicate it's time for hooks to drive and create the hard capture that we'll be looking for around 6:30. That firmly secures Dragon to station.
See the soft docking capture ring. Again, once we get around 2 meters, you should hear a call out for CHOP, which stands for Crew Hands Off Point. It means that any aborts initiated by Dragon needs to be initiated by Dragon after that point rather than by the crew.
Now just under 5 meters away from the International Space Station.
SpaceX on the big loop, 5 meters.
Meters, chop.
Dragon SpaceX soft capture confirmed.
Dragon copies, you see the same.
soft capture confirmed of Crew-1 aboard SpaceX Crew Dragon Resilience to the International Docking Adapter 3 on the space-facing port of the Harmony module on the International Space Station. That coming at 6:08 a.m. Central Time, 11:08 GMT, while Station and Dragon were flying 261 statute miles in altitude just to the south of Japan.
Dragon SpaceX on the big loop. Soft capture ring retraction in progress.
Copies, you see the same.
That soft capture ring will continue until sensors indicate those hooks are ready to drive and create the hard capture, and that should take about 15 minutes.